I'm gonna lay down my burden down by the riverside. I'm gonna lay down my burden down by the riverside.
Pinch it right here, twist gently, and toss the head in the bucket.
I got it, look.
That's right, now put the good meat in the pan.
Ooh, Frogmore Stew. I don't want to eat frogs. I don't want to eat frogs.
Gal, calm down. Ain't no frogs in the stew. This year comes from Frogmore on historic St. Helena Island in the Gullah Geechee Nation. The Buckra started calling it Lowcountry Boil. They do that when they don't want to give Gullah Geechees credit for our creations. Lowcountry Diz and Lowcountry Dat. Yeah. Even with Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. came to the island and the newspaper wrote, "Can any good thing come out of Frogmore?" A lot of Gullah Geechee good has come out of Frogmore, including the stew.
Yeah!
We couldn't still make it if the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association members didn't go out to get the ingredients. That's hard work. I break the corn from my field while them boys go fishing and shrimping. We bring the taters and sausage. That stew smells mighty fine, Auntie. Yeah, I reckon it's almost ready.
I know why the Frogmore Stew is so good.
Why?
Because it brings our Gullah Geechee family circle together, Annie. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people.
Let the circle be unbroken.